Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to show you how to draw a quick and easy cartoon Godzilla. So, to start off with our Godzilla, we're going to begin towards the top of the paper and we want to make this really cartoony. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then back up, kind of like a check mark. Then under here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then back up for his eye. Then inside of here, I'm going to draw a little circle and I'm going to color it in and I'm just going to leave a little bit white at the very top. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes around here and kind of curves back. That's going to be his eyebrow and the top of his head. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down and then it's just going to kind of curve back like this where his nose would be. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down and then it's just going to go back like this for his mouth. And then I'm going to start here and draw a line that just kind of goes down and then it's just going to kind of curve back for his jaw. Then, starting right here, I'm going to just kind of give him some triangle shapes for some teeth. Then, starting up here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then it's going to curve up like this where his tail is going to be. Then right here, I'm going to draw a couple little lines like this where his neck would be. And then I'm just going to draw a line down. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down at an angle and then out. And then I'm going to make his hand. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a line that curves up and down like this for his thumb. And then we're just going to do the same thing for one finger. And we'll do another one here. And one more right here. And then we're going to kind of curve it here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of comes back like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that comes down. And then for his leg, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out at an angle and then comes down. And then for his foot, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then comes back for one toe. And then I'm going to draw a smaller version right here for the other toe. Then I'm just going to take this foot and I'm going to draw out and then I'm just going to go up and come back up here. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then as I get closer towards the end of the tail, I'm just going to start making this smaller and smaller. And then I'm just going to curve around like that. Now for his spikes. So I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to be making kind of like 3 little bumpy spikes for each one. And I'm going to make these just a little bit bigger as I go farther down his back. And then once I get to about here, I'm going to start making them a little smaller as they go down his tail. Now right here, I'm just going to draw a line for his other leg. It's just going to go down, out and down like that. And then I'm going to draw the same thing, line that goes out and then comes back for his other foot. And then for his other arm, I'm just going to draw a line that just comes down like this. And then I'm just going to draw one claw here. And we'll just put one claw like this to show where his other arm is. Now, just for a few details on here, just to make it look a little bit cooler, I'm going to add a little line up here by his nose, a little curved line under his eye, add a couple little lines around his mouth. I'll add a couple little broken lines kind of coming down his back. Add a couple little bumps right here. And then I'm going to add two little lines right here where his feet are. A couple little curved lines just to show where his claws are. And then I'm just going to add some curved lines kind of coming down here on his tail. And draw a little line that runs all the way down his tail. And a line up here. Add some more curved lines on there. And then we kind of add like some little circles all over just to kind of show where there are scales. I'm just going to put these all over his body. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines onto his spikes. And there you go. There is your quick and easy drawing of a cartoon Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.